Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Just got a new package. Gonna open it in my kitchen. Hi, honey. Yes, she is about to pop. Making lunch. Are you wearing shoes?
No.
Ha ha ha. And meanwhile, kids are watching Peppa Pig in the family room, and Reese is getting into the freezer. So this package right there is from Finish Line. It is a new pair of shoes. It's gonna be hard with one hand.
Come here, I'll hold you.
I need a stand for this phone here. There we go. I got a little bit of it. So, no, you can't do that. Sorry, you guys just get... Here, you can just look at me, I guess, instead of my kitchen wall while I'm opening the package here. New pair of shoes. Storm season is about to start in a couple of months, so I'm going to break these in just a little bit before we pound the pavement, knocking doors. And the way that I plan to break them in is pounding the pavement, putting out flyers, and talking to people who might be around, maybe knocking a few doors, not a ton though. But so, let's turn the camera around now so we can see it. Dun, 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 dun. Nike. Well, let's see where it says. There it is. VaporMax Run Utility. So my last pair of shoes was VaporMax, and my only complaint about them was that I absolutely could not get them wet because it was a mesh upper, and I could feel the wind blow, or if I ran fast enough I could feel the air going through, so water went through and everything else too. These, which have water repellency, which is funny because when I saw this at the store I actually thought that was a sticker, and then I went online and looked, and nope, that's part of the shoe. So I think that's the one thing I don't like about them, is this looks like a sticker that shouldn't be there. It should come off. Otherwise, I love the weight of these shoes. I love the way they fit my foot. The cushioning is amazing. The traction is great. These ones are going to be water repellent. I love that they are gray on black. So, love them. Unboxing of our new shoes for work. Have a good one, everybody.